Let's make this a minute video, 4 holes in porcelain tiles, yeah? Send it the point. That's 1. That's 2. Am I teaching you man how to suck eggs? Do you know what I mean? That is 3 in less than a minute. Pack of 10, 15 quid into my PayPal. With your name and address and I'll post them out. Let's have a 4. Oh yeah, it is beautiful. 4 holes in porcelain tiles. The bit's still good, but what I'll do it at that price, roll it, you know what I mean? It's done its work. Time is money, lads, time is money. And for the pack of 10 for 15 quid, what do you want? This bash bosh. Whenever we're doing anything like this and you're putting these caps on, these metal caps, what you got to do is make sure this is where people fail. Yeah? See the bottom of it? Never ever silicone that. Ever silicone. These never silicone. You have a silicone this rail, it's not meant to be silicone. Don't think you're siliconing it and you're doing yourself a favour, because you're not. All you're doing is causing yourself complications. And then complications will bite you. Yeah, like that. Yeah, and that's it. Oh, beautiful. Leave, boom. Never touch it again, yeah. Then what we're going to do is we're going to silicone this here all the way down, all the way around. A cat stands up there, and that's it. That's all you want to silicone. Don't silicone anything else. Do you know what I mean? This is where people go wrong. Silicone crap. What? Because what happens is you're showering in here, right? You're showering in here, and then you're showering, water going onto this rail, water's going into this rail, and then water can't get out of this rail. So you've got to remember, never ever silicone anything inside the shower, because if water goes down, goes into the rail and can't get out the rail. Always remember. And that's it really. Always remember, if that sprays against that, it's going to come out as well. Of this cubicle, I like it how you've got no messing about there, do you know what I mean? It is what it is. All this is, you've got to remember the cubicles, they are not watertight. They are never watertight. So if water sprays in there or you spray the shower there, water will come through. The water, this water is for the splashback. So you shower in here, and water just goes on there and it runs down the trap. It's not designed for you to spray the shower on this shower, because it would come through. But to serve the purpose of it, I quite like it. It goes together easy. Is what it is, isn't it? You know what I mean? Looks tidy. Looks very, very tidy. Very, very tidy. Everything clips up nicely on it. It's good, I like it. Top notch! Don't forget to like, share and follow. It has got the desired effect. It looks beautiful. The only thing what I have noticed, which we will have to change, see these Allen keys here? They are on the top. What they need to be is on the bottom. So we need to take this Allen, this handle off, and swap it round. So they are on the bottom, so you do not see the Allen key. Can you see that? So my mate has got what delay.
I would have noticed that before you even filmed it. So
oh
I did.
yeah.
I did. That's why Allen keys are.
We should have noticed it when we put it on. In future, doing work twice costs money. A bit like cost lives. Fish bash boss, don't forget like, share and follow. Now it should be good this, because think they had to make it, you know what I mean? What are they? Dodgy bean. Tastes like it. Best tile bit component in the market. I am going to demonstrate this is a porcelain tile. This is the best tile bit. Pack of 10 for 15 quid off me. Now remember, they are going to be going up in price because postage is getting very expensive. So you get a pack of 10 for 15 quid. Pay into my PayPal with your address. Signed delivery. Straight out. This. Watch this. Porcelain tile. This bit. Don't forget postage is £4.50. So this bit is just more than £1. £1, like £1 fish, yeah? Watch this. That's one. And two. That's three. In space of less than a minute. That bit's no good now. Throw it. 3 bits in porcelain. There's no point keeping them because there's no point in struggling. You might go for the price of them to get 3 holes out of it for the quid. It's banging. PayPal. That is. You know the difference between a plumber and a gas fitter? Gas fitter thinks he knows what he's doing because he's got that name, gas fitter. But they do not make good plumbers. They do not know what they are doing in bathrooms. And I guarantee if they are plumbing and not doing gas, they're not very good at gas either. You know what I mean? Now that is what you call perfection, lads. How close do you want? How close do you want? How close do you want? How close? You want me to get any closer for you, lads? That is why they call me the master. Do you know what I mean? Because I don't just mess about, I just do it. And look, that is quality. Quality product, quality finish, quality fitter. What else is there to say? Bish bash bosh. One day lads, practice makes perfect and you might get as good as me, but some today, you know. So there we go, another job. Beautiful. Always make sure everything is spotless. Attention to detail. Beautiful. Beautiful. Always make sure everything is pristine when you leave, and then you know it is pristine. We only like perfection. Perfection at its best. I quite like this. I quite like it a lot. It is beautiful. And there we go. Another job, beautifully done. MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms. I really like this. This is very snazzy. Very snazzy. Look at that. That is beautiful.